Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are looking for a really unique set of whiskey glasses that feel incredible, then you're going to want to check these out.
This diamond pattern that is on these glasses is my absolute favorite thing when it comes to glassware. I love how it feels in my hand, and these are so unique because they come with their own special walnut coasters. But they are also these like rocking tumbler, and they're just so interesting to drink out of. I love that they can spin and that they rock slightly. You don't have to use them with the coasters, and you can still put them down on the table, but your drink isn't going to spill. They come really beautifully packaged, so they make an excellent gift. They are just so delightful to drink out of. My husband and I are huge whiskey drinkers, so anything that makes that more fun, I am just immediately there. And these are from BOLESTA, and they are so great. I really enjoy using these glasses.
These make the perfect gift for somebody who is a whiskey lover in your life, especially if that whiskey lover is you. I highly recommend getting a set of these, and that's my point of view.